Well, here we are at Prior's Wood. Been camping for about nearly 4 weeks now. Ran out of gas, so we're using the cooker, the stove that we got off Amazon. It's burning a nice little fire there. Heating up some water for a cup of tea. And after this we'll put on some noodles as well. Cool, that's come close, isn't it? Oh, blimey. Look at that. Okay, the water's done. So we'll be back in a bit. And some noodles on the go. From camp. Here we are with some noodles. Very smoky. But these should be cooked in a minute. Smoke keeps coming at me, but there you go, noodles boiling away. Should be ready in the next 5 minutes, I'd say. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be tucking into them in a minute. Thanks for watching me cooking on the stove at Prior's Wood.